Jason, see how this table rocks? There are 4, I'm guessing, gas springs, or maybe there are mechanical springs that are supporting that table. I'd like to understand how that works and what the intention is. We're getting so much movement that the rivet won't line up with the holes when it's mounted in the fixture. If we rock the table around, we can make it line up, but there's no stability. I just wanted to get your idea of what was happening here. Yep.
Support somewhat.
Good to go. Still got our clunk. What happens when we intensify?
Let's see.
Okay.
Wherever way you can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
You are. Really bending.
Intensify?
Yep.